Anatsui is one of Africa's most important and influential artists. His monumental metal hangings are made from thousands of discarded liquor bottle caps that are flattened and joined together with copper wire to create magnificent sculptural tapestries.
Yeah, put it where you have your hand.
Right there?
Yes. The title is Duvor, Duvor which means communal cloth. The idea is so many hands working together to create this. People have to keep playing with it until it is right.
By transforming waste into works of art, Anatsui comments on consumerism, disposability, and the painful legacy of the colonial rum trade.
And I hope that by the next time I see it, it would have undergone some change. The kind of work I do is supposed to be one which has no determinate form. It's something that changes with time and circumstances.